What is seen? It's the Vincent. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Guys, welcome back to another adventure with Jem. So today, your girl, you guys already know, what's the point of being on vacation if you're gonna stay home? So every day I'm outside at Domat. So today, guys, I got invited to BALEINE. I've been to BALEINE. This is my third time going to BALEINE, guys, but I'll be going to the falls of BALEINE, or BALEINE as Vincent will call it. So it is located in the northern region, northwest of the country. Because of the volcano, I'm going to put a map here so you guys can see. Hey guys, I'm going, this is the fit. It's just a cute fit. Skirt, my glasses, and guys, for once I'm early. Like, I'm actually old, I'm so proud of myself. Anyways, I'm going to go get ready. And of course, my Crocs is my shoes. My shoes of choice. I'm gonna wipe it after come down the coil up, but we're gonna get ready, guys, and we're gonna go to BALEINE. Guys, I was early, now I'm late. Now I have to walk all the way there. I gotta walk all the way there. Then so we'll catch up on. Honestly, I need a rental. If you are in Vincent and you have a rental company, hit me up. I need a rental. This take and bus thing is not it, because it's limiting. It's really limiting my adventures and exploring. So guys, yeah, this is the outfit. So I've walked that long, perilous. Now I have to wait for a van. Anyways, guys, I'm waiting on my ride. That's my ride coming there. Guys, I was supposed to catch a van and go around Valley, but anybody have time for that? Anyways, my ride's coming for me because I'm a princess and I deserve princess treatment on me. Guys, we just got from Clare Valley. We're leaving from Clare Valley. This is the crew. Everybody fully loaded, guys.
Picture time.
To be a bridge over there, but it's broken. We're here at, this is the entrance for BALEINE, or BALEINE as Vince would say. So everybody's coming off. Guys, the water here is so nice. It's definitely deeper than the last time I came here, guys. Way deeper than the last time I came here. I bust that part right here. I like that. So guys, they brought food. Oh, salvage. Salvage. The struggles to take photos. Lovely, lovely guys. Eating good today. Nice, nice, nice. I have my spice rum cold in here, guys. You guys found my GoPro. Paradise. We're done eating. Fish eye, guys. I'm not a drinker. Everybody hears that drinking is an AIDS. The most overrated alcohol. Want to see when we leave, we take the garbage. So guys, when you come up here, take a garbage, okay? Keep the place nice and clean. Came clean and we left it clean. Clean, no garbage. mountain and just enjoy the last water. So guys, in Vincent, we have this thing we say you bathe between the fresh and the salt. So the fresh water, what is the river water and the sea water to wash off any blight from you. But I was just told that I need a lime to scrub myself while I'm doing this. So I just, oh, it's warm right here. So guys, I'm between the fresh and the salt, washing off whatever blighting happened on me. God is good though. Yeah guys, we're gonna try convince the boat guys to carry one twin. Oh, it's cold! It's cold. I'll put my phone down though. I have content. Bye bye bye. This is private mountain. This one is way nicer than other one over there. Guys, the best time to come to the beach is when the sun is going down. The water is the warmest. But anyways guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And put my phone away. Enjoy the water.